Hey my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel once again. So this is going to be the second part of the Mysore vlog. If you have not seen it, it's right up here.
So I have reached this place. It's called Shivanasamudra Falls. Water is pretty less around this time of the year, but it's a nice place. Let me show you the place. This place is going to be next destination, which is going to be trending in Bangalore.
Oh boy, this waterfall is definitely beautiful. It has got a peaceful vibe, it's less explored, it's just 3 hours away from Bangalore, got refreshment and facilities at the destination. But there is one small problem. This place is under construction. I would say it's under development, hence a bit messy here and there, even though it's still absolutely safe. It would be a vibe to stay here in a resort with a jacuzzi villa overlooking this waterfall. Well, that's it for this vlog. If you liked the video, you know the drill. I'll see you guys in the next video with a different destination. Bye bye.